All right, so we're gonna be talking about a specific AIO today. This is MSI's CORELIQUID E360 AIO. Anytime we get any products that have to do with water cooling, I am so down to make it because I just love water cooling. Now we're just gonna go ahead and take a look at it, see some of its features, and just see what kind of AIO this is. So right out the box, you are greeted with 3 white ARGB and PWM fans from MSI. Now it's cool that these are PWM and ARGB because that means you can individually control the fan speed, so you can bring it up as much as you want and you can bring it down as much as you want as well. Now you also do have your mounting hardware. This covers all the way from LGA 1700 down to 1200, and for all you AMD fans out there, AM5 and AM4 is supported. Taking a closer look at this AIO, we can see it has 12 pathway rails on this radiator, so you're gonna get a good amount of cooling performance. And when it comes to the cold plate, it is a large copper plating right underneath the pump. The pump cover is rotatable 270 degrees. So no matter how you install this AIO inside your PC, rest assured that your AIO is not gonna look ugly, especially when you have some nice little aesthetics here right on the pump cover. Now that we're talking about aesthetics, we can see that the pump does have 1 ARGB cable and 1 PWM cable. Now this is going to be really interesting to test out, and once my test bench is complete, I'll be able to do some more videos on this. Looks like a package to me. And until then, well, we're just gonna have to rock it somehow.